Hey, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and in this video I want to show you how to remove applications from Sidebar. So that's really simple. You have to first of all open Sidebar by swiping from the right side of your screen to the left, and now let's tap Edit button. And now in order to delete application from your Sidebar, you have to tap minus icon on it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. And let's tap done to save any changes, and that's all for how to remove applications from Sidebar. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.